Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to demonstrate you two boost up strikes and show you how to use them. First I will show you the demonstration. Now look at the moves carefully. This is the first move. Grab the weapon with two hands, then release the first hand and rotate. Just I am doing. Now practice this move several times. This move looks very easy, but it has its own benefits. You need to perform this move fast, just like this. Now the practical use. If your enemy try to come from behind and attack you, then you can use this move to push him backward. Now the second move. Grab the boost up and perform this attack with jump. Now the practical use. If your enemy is able to dodge your attack, then you are become vulnerable, and in this moment this attack helps you to hit him again. So this is it. If you find these moves useful, then make sure you share it, and I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.